Hey everyone, welcome to Drive Life. We're doing an unboxing of the Navman MiVue 580 Dashcam. Here's the box. As you can see, some of the features are the touchscreen display, GPS tracker, rotating design, 1080p Full HD recording, continuous, event and manual recording modes, Sony night vision, 3-axis G sensor, 130-degree wide-angle camera, parking mode, and a memory management tool. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. So we've got the usual manuals, warranty, a card charger to USB connection, a car mount, and the camera itself. So on this side we've got the power button and the SD card slot. We've got the HD out and USB connector or power connector. And at the bottom has got the mount. And we've got touchscreen display and a camera on the front.